Hi friends, this is basically a tutorial. A common problem which we are facing is that while using MirrorLink or using your phone's display to show in the car's audio system, when you're putting the car in motion or when the car is moving, then the MirrorLink is not working. So this is a Honda CR-V EX model and I'm going to test it out with an Apple. But the concept which I am using, I don't think that is related to Apple or some Android phone, so it can work over any phone which supports MirrorLink capabilities. So I'll tell you how it works. So basically currently I have just connected my phone to the system using the Apple connector which I buy over Best Buy. You can also buy over Amazon. And secondly, if I go to audio and I select HDMI and switch on my phone's system, you can see my phone is getting displayed over here. Okay, so this is what my phone is getting displayed over here. But the moment I put my phone under drive mode or under reverse mode and I go a little bit back and then again I put on drive mode again, my phone's display will not work. So how to solve this problem? The problem is the alternative which Honda Link and Apple have given us, that they have installed an app, the Honda Link app, which works, but that app is not that working good. And I live in Florida and I have tried it out with many locations, and it has always given me, mostly it has given me wrong addresses, and I'm not comfortable with it. So I want to use Google Maps on it, or I want to play videos while I'm driving my car for my passengers and everything. So I'll tell you how we can do that. So basically you must be aware that this is the normal interface of the EX model 2015. So first we'll go to the diagnostic mode. If you're wondering how to go there, don't go into the normal menu, you have to select any other option but this screen. So I'll go to settings. So now I'll tap the power button, the home button and the eject button over here, and this is my diagnostic screen. So there are two options here, so I'll go to the second option. So what many of you may not be aware that in this option there is one more secret hidden menu. You have to press this menu button constantly till you get this option. So you don't have to just press it once, you have to press it constantly. And then you go to vehicle model information, and then there is a tab over here, DSP VSP error. You go that and select it as off. So once you select it as off, you go back. Basically we are done. Now if I go to my HDMI input and I power on my phone and I put like Google Maps. So basically the display is not that good because the phone is in portrait mode. I turn it into a landscape mode. So to change the display, that you can adjust in your phone, that is not a big issue, but you can use Google Maps over here. And suppose I type in any address now. For example, I type address of a gas station near my house or something. This is I turn my phone into landscape mode. Now I drive my phone, I put it into reverse. The camera will come up. There is no option to switch it back or something. But now when I put into drive mode, my Google Map is working. I'm driving my car. My car is in drive mode. I can see I have in the drive mode. It is the D button is the light, and my car over here is also in the drive mode. So pretty much I can drive my car around. So basically the Google Maps turns on. So not only for Google Maps, you can also use this for your YouTube videos. You can basically display whatever is playing in your phone in the car screen, and you don't have to worry about whether the car is in motion anymore. And so this is how the MirrorLink will work. So guys, this is it. If you have any queries or if you can any doubt, you can post in the comment section below. So that's it. I'm signing out.